can now take the power of ChatGPT wherever you go. I've created an Android watch app which allows you to harness the power of ChatGPT's latest public model wherever you are, using voice and text commands. My Gold patrons currently have early access to this application. A link can be found in the description below. So let's have a look at the application. Okay, so let's start off with launching the application up. So on the main screen here we have a new chat button, we have our previous chats, this will be coming in the next release. We also have our settings. Inside the settings we can enter our API key, and we can also disable and enable text-to-speech. So if we click on new chat, we get to this how can I help you, and we can ask a question. What GPT model are you using?
I am an OpenAI 3 language model.
So currently it's using the GPT 3.5 Turbo model. This will be upgraded to version 4 on release. You'll have an option inside the settings to use the 3.5 or the version 4. This could help with costs and pricing. So this actually uses the proper string methods for the chats, so it strings the chats along. So we can tell it our name. My name is Tony.
Nice to meet you, Tony. How may I assist you today?
What is my name?
Your name is Tony. Is there anything else you would like me to help you with?
Just to show that's not hard-coded. My name is Michael.
I apologize for the confusion earlier. Nice to meet you, Michael. How can I assist you today?
So with this application, we have the full power of ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo's model. That's the same model that's used on their website. We've got the full power on our wrist. So you can be walking along, you can ask it questions. And I've added the ability to disable speech to text. This is so that you can be a bit more discreet. Because when you ask a question, it doesn't actually have to be via text. You can switch it to text. I will be updating the app with new features nearly every day. The upcoming features currently listed are the chat history, and also inside the settings you'll be able to select a model using the GPT 3.5 Turbo or using the GPT version 4. As soon as 4 is released, that will be released as well. If you have any ideas or would like to see new features, please leave a comment below.